What up, y'all? So thought I'd make a little simple, quick video. So I knocked out this bearing here, y'all. Just basically use this big screwdriver, this little rubber mallet hammer, and here's the blown wheel bearing, y'all. Got the blown wheel bearing. Go ahead and just clean that up right there, and we'll get the new wheel bearing in there. This one looks good, so I'm gonna just go ahead and leave that one, let it run till it goes bad. So that one's all right. So let me go get the new wheel bearing, y'all, and we'll get that one in there. See y'all in a bit. Definitely need some new tires though, for sure. Alrighty, y'all. So I got the bearing here. Just gonna kind of pack it in a little bit more with this this Lucas Red and Tacky, y'all. Just give it a little bit more in there, y'all. So here's the inside of the bearing. And kind of an odd thing about this bearing I'm about to show y'all, but it's still gonna work, is it just slides right in. So I mean, I don't have to hammer it or nothing. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but I mean, it's a good fit, but I mean, it just slides in. So I'm gonna just pack it in there, y'all. Give it a nice little coat. About right there's good. So go ahead and do both sides. So I'll show you how I did it. So I'll do the other side so I can show y'all. Then just pack it in there. So now you go, nice little pack in there. So I got a napkin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the cover back on there. I was real careful taking off the cover. I didn't want to puncture it or nothing. So just basically just pop it right back in, y'all. And you could just clean it off just to keep the dust down, you know. Won't get so gritty. Real nice wipe. So let's show y'all how I did this side, y'all. Then I gotta take a phone call, but I'm gonna show y'all. So I just kind of got in here, just kind of went under. I know this is a real good spiky one, so I don't want to really poke at it. I'm just kind of lifting up, so you can see how right now I'm lifting up. And there you go, it came out. Pop it out, y'all, so you can see this one. It got barely any really grease in there, y'all. I'm showing y'all there. I mean, it got something in there, but and you could clean them out. You could put brake cleaner, clean them out, but I mean, it's whatever grease they put in there from the factory. But what I'm adding on top of it is good, so you could do it this way too, honestly. Just add some on top. You know you got good grease in there now. Just get it all the way around, y'all. Fill in all the empty pockets. And then it'll move itself in there. So about right there, and then just kind of smooth it out. That way you got your cap real nice. So see right there, y'all. So now I'm gonna get my cap. Make sure you put it the right way down, so this side goes down. And so these wheel bearings, I was looking up a few numbers, y'all, and the one that I was looking up wasn't showing the lip. So you see these have this little lip, y'all. The other ones I was looking at weren't showing that lip. And you see I got these ones on there that does have that lip. These are really nice bearings. And I was looking up that number 6003 2RS. And I was finding them, but I wasn't finding them with the lip. So I looked up a different number, and I came up with these that did have the lip. But the funny thing is I'm gonna show y'all. I mean, they just slide right in. It could be my wheel, but I mean, hey, you're gonna tighten it down anyway, so that really don't matter. So right there, I got it on. This bearing looks good. I'm gonna just go ahead and leave that one alone. Maybe I'll try to pop the cover off it so I have it out. Let's see. Put a little grease in there. There we go. Alrighty, so yeah. Looks pretty dry. I probably should pop it off and re-grease it. The other side also. And I'm probably going to end up re-greasing the other wheel too. You know, might as well do some nice maintenance while I'm ahead of myself. But I am going to be taking this Kart out tomorrow, y'all. So I'm going to try to make some videos for y'all. And so just pack it in, you know, pack in that grease. Fill in those cracks. Let's go around there like that, y'all. And give it a little spin. Good thing I did check this one. It was pretty dry in there. It really is taking a lot of grease. About right there is pretty good. So go ahead and get that cap back on there. Just press it down in there. Let it seat itself. And wipe off your little excess. Just keep it clean, keep it clean. Pop that in there. There you go. Let it work in there real nice. Alrighty, also, basically, let's see here. I'm gonna show y'all. Let's see how if y'all can see. So I'm gonna show y'all just how I bang it out real carefully. Get this and kind of, you know, get it on there at a right angle. You don't want to poke or damage anything, so just kind of get it right on there. And just give it some taps. Move it to the other side. There you go. It's out. So as you can see, these bearings are really nice. I need to try to find these bearings. These seem very heavy duty. They don't, I mean, it's a solid piece around, y'all. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna re-grease this off camera, and let me give y'all a little look at it before I start. So I'll get this one off camera and install my wheel. You can see it's plenty dry, y'all. Definitely need some grease. So I'm gonna do some work on here, y'all. Get my wheel installed. I'll probably pull the other one off, do the whole process all over again on this other wheel, and then we'll see you in a bit, y'all, once I just basically have the wheels installed. So I'm gonna be out of here, y'all. I'm gonna just get to work straight greasing up these wheel bearings. Peace. All right, y'all, we got that one greased up. So we're gonna go ahead and put I'll go ahead and put that one on we'll put that one on this side, on the outside. So I got me a piece of wood here, y'all. Just gonna kind of line it up here, right on the center on the bearing. Give Get some nice little taps. There you go. Once you hear that nice solid toot toot, you know you have her locked in pretty good. So there we go. Let's see this side. So yeah, see this one just slides in, but it is a tight fit though. So this one's ready to be bolted on, y'all. This one's ready to be bolted on. Got the wheel there, y'all. Got our washer. And then our nut. Now you don't want to tighten these, torque them down or nothing. Just right when you get them snug. That's it. Just nice and snug. I want that wheel to spin in there, y'all. Real nice. It's a nice little, right where you know it's getting tight, basically. So yeah, now you see there's some resistance there, but it'll loosen itself up. You can kind of get in there and just kind of give it one little hit back. There you go, a little more looser. About right there, you know. You want it to spin freely. You don't want no side to side wobble. Nice free spinning wheel there, y'all. Not too loose, not too tight. Alrighty, y'all, so we'll just straight get to the other side here. Do the same process all over again. Check the bearings, make sure they're good. And then I'll just check y'all back in a bit. I don't want to extend this video too longer than it has to be. So I'm going to get this wheel off and I'll see you in a bit. Peace. Alrighty, y'all, so we ran into another problem with the go-kart, but which I am glad I caught. So I am going to do all this process off camera. It is a pain in the butt. So I broke this off with my finger, but this was already peeled off. So it was leaking air, y'all. So I'm going to try to get this tire off. Or at least, you know, not off, but just down enough to get in there. And I'm going to have to go buy me some replacement valves at AutoZone. So right now, just basically just loosen up this tire enough. I sprayed some soapy water to help loosen it. I'll go ahead and let that soak in. I'm gonna go ahead and spray the other side too, just to help things loosen up there. So I'll get over here, y'all, and try to get this tire relaxed so I could, there we go, see? It's alright, y'all. So that gives me just enough room to work on it right there. I'll pop this one off and pop my new one in. I don't have them yet, but once I get some new ones, pop that new one in and she'll be fixed. Not bad, right? So alrighty, let me get back to work. Peace. Alright, y'all, check it out, y'all. So we went ahead and got these chrome ones, 50 cents more. So that's the part number we got, y'all. So, and you know what I noticed? The other one is doing the same thing. So I'm gonna have to replace the other one too, y'all. So check it out. Got these new caps, pretty good. So all we gotta do, I'm gonna try to do it without soaping it up. So I'm gonna put it right in there, y'all. Okay, hold on. This goes on afterwards. Okay, this goes on afterwards, y'all. I was about to say, don't tell me I got the wrong thing. So this is pretty clean. My little hole in there. My little hole in there is pretty clean. So I'm gonna just get it in there. And then I got me, where's my other tool? So I got this tool, y'all, repair tool. So I'm gonna just put it in there, tighten that down. And I mean, I could spray a little soap on there, but just keep it, pop this right in here. Let me soap her up a little bit just to get her a little bit slippery. Alright, so I'm gonna hold this tire down with my knee. And then with this hand, push up and pull. There you go. Just popped right in. Now, I'm gonna have to reseat the tire. Hopefully that's not too hard, but it is been pretty seated, so hopefully a good burst of air will give it what it needs. Just taking it, y'all. Go ahead and get these up to 22. Power Kart. Wheels in the back. Checking for leaks. It's not leaking at all, y'all. Go ahead and put our little chrome cap on there. Chrome it out. Go ahead and finish inflating it. Now I am gonna have to get me a break, y'all. Definitely gonna have to get me a break pretty soon. Alright, y'all, so I just went ahead and just put them at the max 22 just to let them seat up again. Probably gonna want to lower it or leave it where it's at, because I'm planning to take it to the dirt tomorrow, so a little bit more air might be better, but I'll just leave it right there at 22 for now, y'all. So check it out. Got the repair, and the good thing about it is these don't take bearings, y'all. It just straight goes on there, and it's a straight direct drive, so I don't have to worry about messing with these. Get me a brake pretty soon, but that's gonna have to do for now, so we're not gonna mess with that. So these just bolt on. So that's gonna go like that, y'all. I'll bring y'all here to the front, and then where is it at? Okay, so right here we got a little key. The key is gonna just slide in there. We're just gonna push that in there. So, and then here we got our nut. And then we're gonna tighten that down. Snug that up. Now I'll probably get my impact and just give it a little tot. But there you go. So just gonna do the other side, y'all. And yeah, let me get to the other side and I'll catch y'all later, man. Thank y'all for watching this go-kart maintenance video. So I'll get to it and I'll catch y'all here in a while. Peace out. Alrighty, y'all, we got that baby fired up. So I'll just give it a little test spin. I kind of threw some lubricant on the pedals, everything. Lubricated up the pedals. Kind of checked some bolts and nuts all around. Make sure everything was looking okay. Aired up the tires up. This one don't have reverse, y'all, so still gotta do that pedal reverse on there. Make me a little cramp. Like to replace these two front tires. I think they're tube tires. Hopefully we don't have the valve stems rusting on those. Got it pretty good. need to put me a kill switch. Little wire me up a kill switch at a later date. Y'all. So hey, I'd say she ran good, y'all. She did her thing, so she should be pretty good. I'll put some grease on that chain right now. Lube her up a little bit. She stayed pretty greasy. Stayed a little greasy, but I'll definitely put me a little grease on there and let it set a bit, then kind of wipe her down. So she's looking pretty good, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there for the go-kart maintenance for now. Definitely got to do something about these two fronts, but and I do want to get some dirts in the back, but definitely need some two fronts. So that's that bearing fix, and we also fixed some more problems that it had. Hopefully these tires last at least for tomorrow. But yeah, man, thank y'all for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there and just straight get to what I need to do off cam, y'all, that I could get it done. So thank y'all for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. Be safe. I'm definitely gonna be pushing some videos tomorrow, y'all. So I'll be making some videos. So I'll see y'all soon. Peace.